Hello everyone and welcome back to the Paul Mitchell YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you all how I got this really cute space bun hairstyle. So step one, I'm going to go in with the flexible style hot off the press thermal heat protectant to protect my strands before styling. And then I'm going to be using my Paul Mitchell 3-in-1 curling wand to give my strands a little bit more texture and volume before completing the style. And as you all can see, I started out with 2 pigtails, and then I'm just going to begin wrapping the one ponytail around my hairband, which is going to create the really cute space bun look that we're going for. So one side is done, and now we're going to move on to the other. So as I did on the other side, I'm just going to twist the ponytail and then wrap it around the hairband, and then I'm just going to secure everything in place with a bobby pin. And there you have it, a really cute space bun hairstyle. This is so perfect for festivals and the summer season and super easy to achieve, as you can see. And I have to finish it off with the Neuro finishing spray. This is my favorite and will lock everything in place. So I really hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you all next time. Bye guys.